Chevre Clappy here at the World Spa. It's amazing. I heard so many good things. I'm finally checking it out in person. It's Heimish, it's Oilamish, it's of course Tznius, only for men Thursday nights from 10 p.m. after you're sitting and learning the Daf Yomi, everything. From 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. You come and you frisch sich up for Shabbos Kodesh.
Oh!
You frisch sich up!
Clappy, you ready to do this?
Oh, I'm gonna rock and roll!
Kevin, we're doing
World
an awesome
Spa.
World Spa clap. It's gonna be epic!
Epic!
There we go,
Get
like
that
a
on,
boss.
Like
a boss.
Like a boss.
Let's go. Clappy, you look very excited.
A lot of schwitzigers, but they need it. They need a hard week, making a lot of money, a lot of sales. You have to.
You need it, huh?
You need it.
Have you ever seen such a gorgeous spa?
50,000 square feet. The highest materials in the world. The wood, the glass, the marble. Every country in the world was supported to build this place. They said it costed over $50 million to build this place.
Unreal.
You think it's easy to get special wood that doesn't get ruined by the vapor of the sauna. This is the best materials in the world. And you come inside and see all the cities you guys are coming down, smiling, let loose. The kids go to sleep, the wives are home, now they come down,
Let's go into the locker room. Let's do this. Pop.
I never had a robe like this in my life. In Motel 6, they don't give you a robe like this. Feel this, cashmere. Cashmere, feel this.
Beautiful robes. Clappy, we'll see you on the other side.
Oh yeah.
That's it.
That's it. We're ready to roll. We're ready to roll. You get back into the bathing suits, nice t-shirts, they give you a beautiful robe, comfortable orthopedic slippers with a nice baba. Now I became a chacham, a beautiful baba hat, and we're ready to go and relax.
Let's go chill.
Just enjoy.
Yalla. What do you say to that? Just on the ceiling.
You're not used to this. You're used to having to go on a plane for 9-10 hours to some Tahiti or Kikis and Kakis Island, and then you feel luxury. Over here, you're in the heart of Borough Park, or on McDonald Avenue, and you come into a new element.
Luxury.
A new element of luxury.
Luxury.
A new element of luxury.
Wow. There's fish over here. You remember this fish?
This is the same fish as the restaurant.
The restaurant fish. Wow, the wren. Guys, Clappy's gonna show us around a little today.
I'm gonna show you around.
Wow.
Like Boimer came early, we have Rashbi over here. A beautiful fire. We're going for a swim. Look at
this pool. The jacuzzi. Look at those bubbles over there.
You gotta jump into the jacuzzi. You gotta jump into the jacuzzi.
Are you gonna go for that first?
Go for the jacuzzi. Oh, Sigit.
Clappy, make sure the mic doesn't go in the water. The mic killer. Opa! Was that your watch?
No. Everything's good.
That's fine.
I forgot to have the microphone.
You have the microphone over there.
Gan Eden.
Clappy? What's the nice?
Branga tell the children.
I tell the children in the mickey over here. Look at this pool over here. This reminds me of the Prospect Park, the sea lion cage. The water comes up till the top. It spills over. Fine and nice.
I spoke to the staff guy, and you have to understand that every single tree, every plant here is from another part of the world. There's Japanese gardens that they source you the most beautiful plants in the world. You can't find this in Brooklyn. Where are you going to find this? On Ostrand Avenue? Look at this. Japan, stuff from Hong Kong, stuff from all over South America, Brazil. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful. So Fran do dry sort boiris. Different shittas to Chazanish. There's different shittas of boiris. So this one is a round one. It's not too hot, not too cold. So this is a mitten's the weg.
Try this one.
Sei geht, sei schein, und zum zweiten.
The square one. Go for it, let's go.
Oh! Das ist kalt.
You didn't know that.
Ist kalt?
It's a litwische boy.
Oh, ja, es ist ein kalter Litwachs. Das ist nicht von mir.
This is below zero.
Ja, es ist für andere Menschen.
It keeps it from freezing because the pump keeps on running.
Wir zurück im Ball. Und die ist eine Scheine.
Ganz heimisch,
Yeah, this is hotter than this one, aber das ist sehr kalte. Ist sehr kalte.
Just close your eyes. Just look at the picture and just picture you in Japan.
I think the Chaim winners for the cold one. I think they like it.
L'chaim.
Chaim Brucher.
Clappy, you're not gonna go to the cold plunge?
Ich habe erst gehört, das ist ein cold plunge. A cold plunge is for the goyim.
Clappy, guess how many different schwitzen there are in this place?
3.
4.
5?
6?
7?
You got it.
7 mine schwitzen.
7 mine schwitzen lemineum.
So I'll tell you what, if every day of the week you say 1 more day till I come to World Spa, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, and then you come on the 7th day and you make up for every day of the week. We got to sieben schwitzreis.
Plus you have the beautiful cabanas over here. They
Ooh,
call
cabanas. We don't have to go to
These are
vacation in Florida.
special-
Florida's over.
Florida's over.
Florida's over. Bring to do.
Yeah, the massage shit.
Whoa.
Yeah, you private massage.
You know.
Let me show you over here. Let me show you the schwitzen over here. So this is called the names, Turkish hammam. My Marad wants to explain me all these different names. It's very smoky, very smoky.
Smoky.
Yeah.
Woo! Woo!
This is something else.
Shaboss minicha. And I gaan ze in town.
The kiddush is to run in over here and to run out here to the shower. The chapak, schwitz. This is not a schwitz. This is a massage table. It's like a special room.
Oh.
The smell. It's like a. There's something unique over here.
Something unique.
What does it look like to you? It looks like I'm in Dubai, no?
Looks like something you talk about in the Megillah Esther. Something like Achashverosh.
Something like a
The Achashtarpenim used to call it.
Achashtarpenim. It's also like Achashtarpenim room.
Treatment in progress.
It's a different type of Achashtarpenim room. It's something unique. Anyway, you don't find this anywhere. These tiles over here. All right, let's move on over here. Clappy, this one is full of people, so we're not going to attack them.
Full of people that are relaxing. They're relaxing, having a good time.
Not going to stir them.
Oh, Sigit. Sigit after Beiner. Oh. I'm going to come get a sneak in a shish kebab, put it right on the coals.
That's your type, is a shish kebab on the coals. Looks like you're in a different zone. You hear that crisp of the coals, those noises? These coals are, I don't know how many degrees, but it's a fine heist. It's a fine heist, Clappy. Geschmack. These guys are the forward already. Clappy!
Gonna go join the Chevre.
Gonna join the Chevre over here.
Join the Chevre.
Yeah, get the vibe. Wow. Nice.
Clappy, you gonna say share with these guys? What are you gonna do over here,
I'm gonna
Clappy?
give it Daf Yomi. It's a quick Daf Yomi. Stefanski coming to town over here.
Hey. Nee, start the sheet.
Nee, right by the sheet.
I was in a lot of the schwitzes tonight, but this is the echte schwitz. Over here, me heard the kracht from the cholent. It's very good, it's hot, it's moist. The beiner, it's a filzig git. It's a filzig git.
You giving a share to the guys on the other side over there?
It's a fine guys, gitte guys.
Gere Chevre.
Geherige Chevre.
Nicht Gere.
Gerige?
Oh my God, you got me very nice, right? Clappy! What do you say to the stuff on the roof over here, these besomums?
Ich hab gehört, dass man nimmt diese Hadassim und man klappt einer dem anderen. Man darf
Shyness
klappen.
a bisschen.
This is the shyness for after the schwitz. You
shyness,
clap with them.
Let's go, Clappy. We have a lot more to cover.
Ja, man geht. Noch ein Schwitz, für Frauen da 2 hipping coals. Und man geht da drehen hin und her. So macht es eben, much hotter. When you play with you do with the coals, it gets hotter. And it comes into the steam. Then you sit down. Per minute.
I think you're up to Schwitz number 6 over here.
Yeah. I think there's one more Schwitz after this. And noch dem out. Sehr verschwitzigt.
Look at this over here. This is how it looks. You're supposed to pick it up. It's a whole Coupa tent over here. You have to pick it up and put it back in. It's like a ganze system.
Ich hab geschlafen. Noch die oude Schwitzerei. Ich war am Schlafen da. So sei geht.
Look at the salt on the side.
Yeah.
Over here.
The ear has the salt in it.
Echt, people go to Arizona for the salt.
Ja, ik kwijt
Ja,
door. Ik kwijt best beter. You pour it in.
Wow.
This has a nice secretaries over here. Very kosher. Big avoidance, Clappy. Big avoidance.
Going go off in kipper.
Getting a little lost here, huh?
This is the snow room?
Not the stir state.
No, this is not the snow. This is not the snow room. Oh, here's the snow room. Famous? It's a real thing?
We have a snowball fight?
Oh, this is good. Nach der oude Schwitzerei. Ik heb er lang aan in de snee.
Wie doet hij?
Ze koud. Ze koud.
Wie doet hij?
Attack Clappy. Guys,
for tomorrow.
Attack it. I'll pay you. Throw another one.
Clappy's going down. When's the last one there's off, Charlie?
When was the last time it snowed in New York? He's getting out.
Only in World Spa. Heard there's good food over here. So I came for the little bit of Schwitzerei, but I'm not going to tell you now.
Jewish, huh?
Let's be real. Ooh. Oh my God.
Clappy, when you go in the sauna with cholent in your stomach already?
Very healthy. Very healthy.
Sehr gesund.
Going
How's it feel going in the elevator?
It's so good. After a bowl of cholent, I physically can't walk, but I'm saying it's
That's what they have the elevator.
100%.
Let's go. Let's do this. How do you enjoy the elevator? This guy's enjoying the elevator. Right? He's going up and down the elevator. This is the VIP lounge.
This one's really short.
Call Yisrael B'nai Maluchim Haim. Alle keep to the VIP rooms. Everybody that comes here is VIP. Everybody.
Where's the tree from?
This looks like a Nepalese tree.
Nepalese
It's from
tree?
Nepal.
Really?
It has its signature look. It's a Nepal tree. So Shnikla Shaira. I feel like a little like a sukkah. A little very relaxed feel.
Certain shit like that.
Come back, Jackson.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
After a bowl of cholent, after being an older schwitzen, you have to just sit and just think about what's going on in life. Just do a cheshbon nefesh. At the end of the week, it's about making a cheshbon nefesh.
Let me hear what's going on in your life.
Raising the children, building moistus. Kiddush Hashem. It's all about a Kiddush Hashem. Bringing Hashem into the world.
Wow.
We have to take care. The Rambam says you have to take care of your body. You have to take care of your physical needs. So you have to come here, you have to relax a little bit. Just a little bit. A couple hours on Thursday nights. You come back, you're ready for Shabbos. Take care of the family, take care of the kids. Can I say I come in on a Friday night if you weren't here Thursday night? Say that Aveda.
But this is after the filming.
Huh?
This is after the filming shit.
After a lot of shir. After all the shir. Yeah, of course. It's like 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. and you go right back to the shir.
That's it.
100%. Boy, what do you say about this place?
Honestly, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Really, really
Beautiful.
relaxing
There's nothing like it.
and- Yeah, Gversh.
You like a gavir?
He actually is a gvir, but now he also feels like a gvir.
You wiped it clean.
Clean like my bank account. The cholent, the kugel, the cold, frish diet Coke. Rish is cold.
He's holding the elevator for us.
That
You
kugel
got the
knocked me out.
You gotta take the elevator now, huh?
I need the elevator. Could you tell me a little bit about this?
So you go into this private sauna, you're laying down over there, you're raising up the temperature to 200 degrees, and they massage you with the leaves for 15 minutes.
It's like 6, 7? What are we doing over there? 6, 7, 6, nice. I want to challenge, Kevin, there's a bunch of guys over here. I want to challenge Clappy to jump into the cold plunge.
This is the cold plunge?
After this, you jump
After
into
this, you go.
Yeah.
How cold is the water here?
50 degrees.
5-0? Oh, I thought it's below
From
0.
40 to 50.
From 40 to 50 degrees.
Is that
Clappy.
cold?
Clappy.
So after this, you're going straight to the
But
cold.
I want to challenge Clappy to jump without
I'll jump into no cuff, no
Clappy,
cuff.
Warm
Clappy,
yourself
hold it,
up.
Clappy. Clappy, this is really
Warm
cold.
myself up. Here's the microphone.
Give me the mic over. Kevin, we're challenging Clappy to do the jump. Do it. Keep your t-shirt on, it's fine. Yeah.
If I went to the ice off Mick for it's fine.
Let's go. Wow. You did it. What's all them say? Give him a round of applause. Kevin. Amazing. They don't understand the secret over here. Ganz kind. I'm slow, no? 1 minute. I'm not letting you put your hat on. Come over here. Let me give you one more. Clappy, stand under here and pull the rope.
What's this?
Yeah, stand right. You know what? Stand up. Do it from go under right here. Clappy, go. Take his hat over here. Take his hat over there. Put your hat down over there, Clappy. Kevin, I'm gonna tell Clappy to stand over there.
what do we do?
Just stand under there. Stand under there. Pull the rope. Pull it hard. We're ready for that, huh? Take some ice, put it on your head over there.
Fire the knives, Kevin. Fire the knives, the world spot.
Guys over there. Guys are going for this.
No, this is warm. Go into this. This is warm. Go into this. This is much colder.
Clappy, what do you tell my Rod that he put up such a place? Say something.
So appreciative that we have such a beautiful opportunity for everybody to come together from the community from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. on Thursday nights and just enjoy. Cholent, kugel, freezing diet Coke, cold plunges, hot plunges, mikvahs, 7 schwitzereis, snow room. You come here, you're refreshed. You come out a new person.
If somebody wants to make a private booking, Marad, what's the phone number?
You can call me directly 917-256-9002.
Marad. Marad. This place is amazing. Every Thursday night from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. The address is? What's the address?
1571 McDonald Avenue, between Avenue M and N. Like a Moshe and no.
Moshe Nachman. This guy in Atzula, Moshe Nachman. Marad, what are you going to do now in here?
We're gonna do more schwitz.
Marad is the best schwitzen. Kevin, I don't want to show the people here. We're not going to show the people over here, but this is going to be pretty cool. Pretty cool. Go in there, let's go. It's going to be pretty cool, Kevin. Kevin, look what Marad's doing over here. Look what Marad's doing. Fliegt daarin met de zaken, maakt de vies, maakt de hand, wischt, wascht. Met de schwarze campagne met doen, wat Marad macht am Matze. Bloes de wind doen, up and down. Fine and nice. Kevin, this is fine.
Oeh, Sigit.
Kijk weer, wisch de zaken. This thing goes up to how many degrees?
Macht de matze.
Come in, Kevin.
Macht de matze,
100 degrees this thing goes up to.
Huh?
100 degrees.
Oh, ja.